Title: Pakistan-India Nuclear War. Consequences and Global Impact. Welcome to Knowledge Hub Factory. Today we are diving deep into a topic that has kept the world on edge for decades: the ongoing conflict between Pakistan and India. But what if this age-old conflict were to escalate into a full-scale nuclear war? What would the consequences be for South Asia and the world? Join us as we explore this terrifying possibility and its far-reaching implications. It was 1947. The partition of British India gave birth to two nations, India and Pakistan. But this birth was not without bloodshed. Lines were drawn on maps, but hearts and histories were divided. Three major wars followed: 1947, 1965, and 1971, all rooted in one central issue: Kashmir, a land of stunning beauty, yet cursed with relentless conflict. Then came 1998. The world watched as both nations flexed their nuclear muscles. India called it Operation Shakti. Pakistan responded with Chagai-I. The message was clear: both nations were now nuclear powers. The past month has seen relentless skirmishes along the line of control. Heavy artillery, aerial bombardments, and accusations of border violations have brought both nations to the brink. The situation remains volatile. Global leaders are urging restraint, but on the ground, fear and uncertainty are growing. Last week, the conflict escalated further. Indian jets launched strikes near Balakot. Pakistan responded with its Shaheen-3 missile test, demonstrating a chilling capability to reach 2,350 kilometers. Emergency meetings were held, and military mobilizations surged. Civilians along the borders fled in fear, while global powers scrambled for peace talks. Both nations possess formidable nuclear arsenals. India holds around 160 warheads, Pakistan approximately 170. Their missile systems, like India's Agni and Prithvi and Pakistan's Shaheen and Gauri, ensure that devastation could be delivered within minutes. And it doesn't end there. Both nations maintain a second strike capability. Even if one is attacked, it can still retaliate with full force, a grim reminder of mutually assured destruction. If nuclear war were to erupt, the immediate consequences would be catastrophic. Major cities, Islamabad, Karachi, Delhi, Mumbai, could be reduced to ashes within moments. Experts predict millions of lives lost in mere minutes. The fires would unleash firestorms, choking the skies with ash and smoke, leading to a phenomenon scientists call nuclear winter. Crops would fail. Temperatures would drop. A global famine would loom. Radiation effects would be long-lasting, causing cancer, birth defects, and chronic health issues. Moreover, radioactive contamination would render vast areas of land and water unusable for decades. The devastation wouldn't end at the borders. Global markets would crumble. Trade routes would collapse. Radiation would poison water and soil, spreading beyond South Asia, affecting nations thousands of miles away. The world would witness one of the largest humanitarian crises in history. Millions displaced, nations scrambling to offer aid, if any remains to give. But there is still hope. The United Nations, the United States, China, and global powers continue to push for peace. Mediation, confidence building, and diplomacy are our best weapons against this looming threat. History has shown us that dialogue can end wars. It's time for both nations to choose the path of peace over destruction. A nuclear war between Pakistan and India would not only destroy two nations, it would scar the entire world. The path forward is clear: diplomacy, peace, and unity. Knowledge Hub Factory stands with peace. Join us as we continue to explore the world's most critical issues. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep the journey of knowledge alive.